Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video we will be discussing about the various facilities, instruments and equipments that are available at NIPER. So when we speak about NIPER and when we speak about pharmacy and allied courses, there is a very essential parameter that is important, that is equipments and instruments, because whenever if you are a if you are a medicinal chemist, you need certain instruments, certain analyzers or something to synthesize new molecules. When if you are a pharmaceutics, if you're a formulation scientist, you need certain dissolution friability testers and so many other different FBD, RMG and all. If you're a pharmacologist, you need microtome, you need to evaluate neurological behavior, so you need various instruments, Langendorf, you need um, pole climb apparatus, tail flake analgesiometer, etc. And if you're a biotechnologist, you need a fermenter, you need autoclave, you need analyzer, serum analyzers, and so many different things. So basically, today's video we'll be discussing about few of the equipments that are available at NIPER. So firstly, if we speak about pharmacology, so we have Langendorf. So that is for studies on heart. Basically there is a hanging of the heart that is isolated from a rat or a mice, and then studies are performed upon that, either myocardial infarction or any cardiac disorders, cardiomyopathy, etc. Morris water. So this is basically for cognitive and neurodegenerative disorders like Alzheimer. So there's a basically a tub in which you pour water and you add flag, so your animal will go and reach out to the flag. The time required is noted. Rotor rod apparatus for skeletal muscle relaxant. Tail flick analgesiometer for checking the analgesic activity. Actophotometer is again a very important instrument. You have microtome for histology analysis. So tissues are basically, there's paraffin added, and then you check out the tissues, and then you put it in a water bath, and then you stain it using any TTZ or some dye. Serum bioanalyzer is also needed to determine the SGPT, SGOT levels and other other vital parameters. Then there is central animal facility, whereby there is rat, rabbit, mice, there is gerbil and all. Then we have in vitro cell cultures, so we have blood cell counter, tissue processor, embedding setup over here, whereby because there are in vitro assays that are carried out, so you need certain ELISA plate readers, UV photoplate readers and all to plot the curve and all. Toxicity testing assays are also available. Then you have microscopes, so you have scanning electron microscope, you have tunnel assays, all the apparatus instruments required. Flow cytometer, so flow cytometry is again another technique. Then you have confocal microscopy and all. So here you can see HbA1c analyzer. This is for diabetes. A glycosylated hemoglobin. Hematology analyzer, ELISA reader, centrifuge device, microscope, coagulometer to determine the extent of blood clotting. ESR analyzer, erythrocyte sedimentation rate. Then you have various microscope, microtome, incubator, hemodialysis, water bath, and other equipments. So these are the list of equipments: NMR, spectrophotometry, geol, LC-NMR, LC-MS, that is micro time of flight, TOF, that is associated with mass spectrometry, Shimadzu, that is a company, freeze dryer, lyophilizer, HPLC, HPTLC, GCMS, headspace GC, spray dryer, supercritical fluid facilities. Uh, then you have transmission electron microscopy, then you have scanning electron microscopy, you have atomic AFM, atomic force microscopy, then you have zeta sizers, then you have HPLC, preparative and semi-preparative, size exclusion, freeze dryer, flow cytometer, and so many other equipment. These are just few of them. Biotechnology, obviously, they need ELISA plates and all. Then you have RT-PCR, reverse transcriptase, polymerase, thermocycler, basically, fermenters, so fed batch and continuous. These are the three modes in which fermenters are operated. You have submerged, you have stirred tank and all. Then you have stirred cell, micro concentrator, vortexer, aerators. These are very important parameters when you are performing fermentation, upstream, downstream process and all. Microbiological plates, MCTs and all. So you have deep freezers, gel documentation system, whereby there you have two types: stacking gel and running gel. You have microscopes, you have semi-auto analyzer, hematology analyzers and all. Autoclave, because sterilization of media is very important in biotechnology. Pharmacoinformatics, there are various softwares that are available: Silicon Graphics, Octane, you have SYBL, MySQL, Structured Query Language, Alchemy, Gaussian, Amber, Chemex, CSS. Then you have KNN Neural Networks, Gaussian, PDB. So these are few of the softwares that are available. Speaking about pharmaceutics, you have XRD, X-ray diffraction, of course, and there are so many different equipments that if I start listing, it will be a lot of, it will be a very big list. You have a dissolution apparatus, hyphenated one. You have pH meters. You have various magnetic stirrers and all. Then you have freezers. You have friability tester, Roche friability and all. There are so many different equipments. You name it and you get it. You get tube filling, multi-mill, colloidal mix, sparkle filter, ampule filling, and vial filling, rota press, capsule filling machine. Pharmaceutical analysis and medicinal chemistry. So you have high pressure and normal pressure, organic synthesizer, because there are green chemistries also nowadays gaining a lot of advantages. Peptide synthesizer, hydrogenator reactions. So there are certain hydrogenation reactions that need to be carried out. So there are dedicated reactors, photoreactors, microwave reactors, protein purification system, medium pressure liquid chromatography, polygraph, spray dryer, humidity and thermostatic chambers, automated dissolution apparatus. Then there is headspace GC, GCMS, powder XRD, MALD, that is matrix associated laser desorption. So time of flight, MSMS tandem spectroscopy, Fourier transformed infrared spectroscopy, spectrofluorimetry, capillary electrophoresis, polarimeter, circular dichromism. Then you have differential scanning colorimetry, you have thermogravimetry analysis, so lyophilizer, ultracentrifuge devices, densitometers, gel dryers, immunoblot apparatus. So there are, these are few of them. There are so many different other apparatus that are available. So I just wanted to give you all an idea about various instruments and apparatus that you can get to see at NIPER. And these are the department wise in pharmaceutics, in pharmaceutical analysis, in pharmacology. So these are few of the pharmacoinformatics. You have various softwares used. So I discussed about them not in detail, just an overview, just the names. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. Do share, like, share, subscribe my channel for more such amazing videos related to NIPER. And if you have any recommendations, any suggestions of our upcoming videos, so please do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much, everybody.